To use the built-in ruler on your Samsung Galaxy M17e is easy. You just need to ensure that the edge panels are enabled. So go ahead and open up settings, select display, and then look for edge panels and tap on it. Once you've confirmed edge panels are turned on, go ahead and select panels and ensure that tools has been selected. From here, you can now exit out the settings app and just swipe to bring up the edge panels. So swipe until you get to tools, which will be the first option that you see is the compass. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and choose ruler. Then from here, you can be able to see the ruler that you're given. Now you can switch between two units of measurement. So you have inches and then you have centimeters. So if you want to switch between the two, just tap on the icon and it should switch you between the two units of measurement. If you want to calibrate, so you can want to shrink it down or make it longer, you can just tap on it like so, and then you can drag the scale left to right as you calibrate it to your preferred size. And then when you're happy, just tap on done and you can see the calibration has happened. You can also do the same thing on the other end. You can calibrate it and it should change. Then from here, you can now be able to use your ruler whenever you want to on your Galaxy M17e. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.